Today I'm checking out this foldable table that was sent to me so I could do the review. Let's get it out of the box and check it out. Straight out of the box, you'll find the table in folded position. There's no assembly or anything like that that's needed. It does come with a manual though to show you how to operate it. And now I'm gonna go ahead and unfold it and get it set up and let you see it. A couple things I do want to point out while I'm setting it up is it does have these little tabs on it that lets this thing lock into place. And it does also have these little holders here. So that way when you do fold it up, it will stay folded. Then if you notice up here, there's a grab handle that folds out that lets you carry it when it's folded up. The legs do fold up and they lock into place. They have like a little notch there that lets the legs lock into place. And then they also have the buttons that you see down here so that way you can expand the length of the legs. And here's the table all set up. I have it sitting here in our kitchen because I was going to use it as extra space when I'm cooking. I mean, this thing is a great, easy to use table. I'm glad to have it. I think you will be too. And I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.